today we're gonna try to. We kind of already started a little bit.
Little demo cut.
We're gonna start cutting here so we come out the intercooler. We kind of want the intercooler all buttoned up. Put the oil pan on. We have a Moroso oil pan here. Gotta still blow it out and clean it. And see how much we get. We still need this back oil line fitting that we ordered. We're waiting for it to come in. So stay tuned. Here we are, dropping the tranny. Tranny's already out. We didn't really record. We kind of wanted to do more work than record today. Trying to make it one long video. So it's been a series of days. We only could do a couple hours between work, but we get it done. New clutch is here. Let's stick that in there and see how we go. I'll keep you posted.